Hello friends. Today we're at the Brooklyn Lake Campground in the Snowy Range section of Medicine Bow National Forest in Wyoming. And we've got a campsite here, and tomorrow we're going to do a pretty cool loop hike around the Snowy Range Mountains. But tonight we're making dinner, and Helen's got a pretty cool recipe that she wants to share.
So this is one of our favorite car camping meals. It's spring rolls. First, I'm just going to stick my first spring roll in the Ziploc bag with water. While it softens, I'll tell you about the fillings. You can really do any filling you want. What we've enjoyed is chickpeas, spinach, avocado, cilantro, lime, red pepper, carrots, cucumbers, and then the best part, what you definitely want, is the peanut sauce. So it doesn't take too long for these to soften. It's probably ready for me to take out now. Also, I'm sure you know, every time you go camping you forget something. This trip we forgot paper plates, and that's part of the improvising. So this is my paper plate for today, but you can see it just takes less than 30 seconds. So now I'm just going to put my fillings in. So chickpeas, and of course you do whatever ratio you enjoy. This one I'm making for Justin, so
Oh boy.
we'll let him be the critic if it fits. Tell me if there's something you want more of or less of. Oh, I forgot scallions too. Got some scallions here. And we always bring our little water jug with soap, so I wash my hands before. Makes it kind of easier to do the cleaning. So this one has a little of everything. Now I'm just going to squeeze the little lime and put the peanut sauce on. And then I'll mention the wrapping trick that I found works pretty well. You could dip this in the peanut sauce, but I find it easier to put it in the roll. So the way you roll this is...
Oh, here we go. Let's get a close-up.
You first, it's kind of like a burrito. First you go over, then you fold in an end. You fold in the other end. And it's a little hard because it's sticking to the plastic bag. And then now that you've got both ends folded, this one might not be the best with the plastic bag challenge, but we're gonna seal it up and have Justin take a bite and tell us what he thinks. Might not be my best rolled ever. You might want to bite that end first. I transferred the spring roll over to Justin, but let him...
Looks delicious. A little bit of leakage. That's okay. Just in time to watch Helen try out her spring roll.
Almost there.
Let's take a... What do you have in this one, Helen?
I did it the same. I like a little of everything. Just have to get a couple pine needles out.
Oh.
Don't want the pine needles. So.
Scrumptious.
I love these because they have a lot of fresh vegetables, and sometimes you don't get enough of them when you're camping.
Yep. Let's take a look at... One more look at the available ingredients. Choose your own adventure. Peppers, cilantro, scallions, cucumbers, a couple of kinds of carrots, some baby spinach over there, and then of course the peanut sauce and the chickpeas.
Avocado.
A little avocado.